pay is equal to 42, then what is salary? So basic is equal to 34, pay is equal to 42. Then how would you find out equivalent to salary? Okay, sorry, I forget to write the options. 66, 75, 78, 76. Yes, most of you are getting the option D, that is 76. So yes, answer is 76. Now if you consider the how basic has become equal to 34 and how pay is equal to 42, it is simply the addition of their number. So BASIC, that is 2 plus 1 plus 19 plus 9 plus 3, that becomes 34, and pay is equal to 16 plus 1 plus 25, it becomes 42. Likewise, salary is equal to, so 19, 1, 12, again 1, here it is 18 and 25. So addition of all these is equal to 76. That was the let's say options are RT 12Z 25 24, RT 12Z Y 25, RT 25, sorry, I will write it at the below, RT 12 25 Z 26, and last one is RT 12 Z 25 Y. Recheck. I think Rushev got it. Mandar got it. Abhijit got it. Yes, now most of you are getting. Now see how the ASHOKE is related to FX8 TPS. As usual, there must be some relationship in first two letters, but as such, if you write yet, so yet and this yet, so there is only relationship is of number. I will write it A, S, H, O, K, and E. So A corresponds to F, S corresponds to X, H corresponds to 8, uh, O corresponds to T, K corresponds to P, and E corresponds to S. So A and F are related by +5. S and X are also related by +5. H is only related by its number. O is again related by +5. So O +5 is T. Then K is 11 and P is 60. So again it is related by +5 and E is also related by +5. So if you add 5 numbers or 5 letters in this, you will get F, S, X, T, P, and S from corresponding O, K, E. And for H, it is only its number. Now likewise, here you have to get M, O, L, U, T, and Y. So for that now you have to also write its number. So M is 13, O is 15, L is 12, U is 21, and T is 20, right? So in this case, Y is 25. Fine. Now, if you write the numbers, that is +5, so this +5 will be the, I think in this case it becomes M +5, so NOPQR, I think R, right? Then the next one O +5, it becomes T. Fine. L is 12, so I think now RT12, 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 in fact in more than one it is there, right? Then U, so U plus, okay, we will check it. U plus, okay, first I will go through this. Fine. So in this sorry, I have written it wrong. It is not S, it is 5. So directly the number. So I guess, okay. So E is 5. So only then number as like 8. So here it is logic of number. It was not S. I read it wrongly in this particular case. So L is 12. So again U plus 5. So that should be 26, and it is nothing but Z. Then T plus, that is T plus 5 is 25, and 25 is Y. And again here this Y is as it is. So do you have this kind of it's a option? So I think it is RT12ZY25, right? So this is your answer, and that is nothing but the option B. Fine, and therefore the answer of this question is option B. Fine. CANCELLED cancelled is equal to 27. Postponement is equal to 36. Then what is revive? REVIVE. So cancel is equal to 27. Postponement is equal to 36. Then what is revive? Okay, I will write options as well. A, B, C, and D. So 6, 12, 15, and 18. Karthik, recheck it. Dhruva, recheck it. Mayuresh, recheck. Yes, others are getting it. Why, Mayuresh, you want write message to everyone? Okay, let's see. So how cancelled is equal to 27, how postponement is equal to 36, and accordingly what could be revive, right? So yes, 18 is the answer, that is option D. Fine. Now see how it is. So cancelled, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is equal to 27. So 9 must be something related to 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again, 12 is somehow related with 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it must be 6, right? And that you have to get is equal to what, right? According to some relationship. So what could be relation here? If you consider into x, so that will become 3. So 9 by 3 is 27. And again, if you consider here, so again it is 3. So 12 by 3 is becoming 36. So here, if it is getting multiplied by 3, then this must be multiplied by 3, and accordingly your answer will be 18, which is option D. Fine. So answer, if 6 into 12 is equal to GOB, then 14 into 17 is equal to FOEH. Then what is 7 into 9. So your alternatives are, first is YOU, TOM, FOC, ROD. Yes. Okay, someone else. Yes, Mayuresh, I got it. Avishkar. Rushabnath, yes. Yes, yes. It's very simple. Why? So it's not you. Yes, that is so simple. So answer is FOC. Fine. Now see how it is. So 6 by 12, it becomes 72. So 72 is written in such a way that like GOB. So here it is. If you write 4 into 17, it becomes 68, which is related to FOH. If you make a relationship of this, so it is nothing but simply H is at number 7, G is at number 7, right? And if you further see B, whose number is 2, F is at number 6, H is at number 8, and therefore what could be this one? So it is, if you can write, it becomes 63. So O is common, so let's write O. So what is number 6? So number 6 is F, and number 3 is C, and therefore you have to get your answer in the form of option C, right? So this is about the option C. Those who want to take the screenshot of this, they can. Okay, I guess everyone must have finished. So let's go to the next one. Very simple. If under root P is equal to 4, under root I is equal to 3, under root question mark is equal to 5. So your options will be, I guess till now some of you must have come. Yes. So under root J, under root Y, under root T, under root E. Right. So it's so simple. I will not invest the time in explaining this one. So obviously under root Y, that is option D. And what is the logic in this? The logic is that P is at number 16, I is at number 9. So square root of the corresponding is 4 and 3. Right. So that would be a logic. Fine. Now, if you write education, education is 5, 4, 21, 31, 20, 9, 1, 5, 1, 4. Then what is cat? So your options are 1, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 0, 9. Again, very simple thing. So yes, sometimes only just by seeing a so big letter series we get fear, and half of our courage is getting diminished at that particular point. So it should not. A simple one. So E is corresponding to 5. That means E is straight away having number 5. So let's check one more randomly. So I is, let's say, if you know I is 9, right? So here it is 9. Let's again check one of the others after I. So we can take N. So N is at 14. Likewise, so CAT is C is 3, this is 1, and T is equal to, 20. And therefore, it becomes 3, 1, 2, 0. Right, so 3, 1, 2, 0. That would be your answer. Now, again, CAT is equal to 24. Dog is equal to 26. Then what is horse? So your options are 56, 65, 64, and 66. Again, it is a matter of only writing that particular, nothing else. Yes, and I got it. I'm sure everyone will definitely get this particular. So its answer is no doubt B, that is 65. So CAT, C is 1, C is 3, A is 1, and T is 20. So this 20 plus 1, 21 plus 3, right, it becomes 24. Likewise, dog is equal to 26. So what could be the horse, right? So it is simply H is 8, O is 15, R is 18, S is 19, and E is 5. So if you perform the addition, it becomes, right? So it is 65. Fine. Sorry, therefore, your answer is option B. If door is 25, lower is 37, tower is 18, what is over? The options are if someone has got the it is not J, it is T. Okay, I will write 60, 81, 06, 45. I guess now most of you will definitely get some logic and come up with the answer. Yes, it is. Sumit got it. Om, why don't you recheck it? Rushabh, check it. Dhruva, check it. Swayam, check it. Yes, someone has written that. Pankaj has written, I think. Rishabh, recheck it. Okay, someone has already, I think, written the logic about uh, how door is equivalent to 25. So I guess I need not to write about that particular logic.